Greetings, I am Beauty etc. I'm a makeup enthusiast, I'm a makeup artist, and I love all things beauty. In this video, I'm going to be showing you very quickly how I do my crochet. If you have been watching, you must have seen how my daughter sometimes braids my hair, and so I just wanted to be deliberate and show you the braiding pattern. In this video, I'm actually going to be installing Passion Twist crochet. I have very fine hair, and most times when I braid my cornrows going all the way back, after about 4 days it starts to recede. Like my hair is here at first and then it starts to move back. This is because my hair is very soft, very fine. Now you can see from the side that I have braids coming down like that. Now this is to protect my edges and also to make sure that the hair does not move back. Like I told you, if I braid it all back, it starts to recede. I don't mind this moving back because I can just gel it and I don't have too much of it going back. So I do that on both ends like so, and then I'll show you the back. You can do a zigzag at the back, or you can do your cornrows going all the way back. And if I haven't already told you, my daughter did this. So this is what the back looks like, and this is what the braiding pattern looks like. I really pray that my camera is focused. What really matters is how you do your braid pattern in the front. And so let me show you the products that I use. I use yarn, by the way. I use yarn, and I should have shown you that in the video, but I use yarn to braid my hair. This is the kind of yarn that I use. You can find it at Walmart. It does not itch my scalp, unlike braiding hair. This is why I use it. And I also use conditioner in my hair. I made this, and I spray my hair on the screen because it is important to keep your hair moisturized. If you want your hair to grow, you should always have you should never allow your hair to get totally dry. Apart from dandruff reasons, you want to keep your hair moisturized. It's good. I also use this hair oil. Yes, this hair oil has herbs that have been sitting in it for weeks, and that's also another thing that I use. It's my hair growth oil that I will talk to you guys about in another video. I also have hair butter that looks like so. That's my Dollar Tree container. I also made this hair butter myself. It smells really good. And this I put on my hair before braiding, but I'm just going to put a little bit more. The 3 things that I put in my hair, those are the only things that I put in my hair. I have this part sticking out because look, that's all of the braids that have been put together, okay? And I'm going to use a needle and a thread. I'm going to use a needle and a thread. You could use a curved needle if that is what works for you. The straight needle is what works for me. Secure. I'm going to use my crochet beauty supply store, and I will be using the Bobby Boss New Locs Spring Twist. Looks like so. Okay, and I have it in the color M27 Gold and T1B30. I'm going to be mixing these colors together. Watch me work.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life-bilder, jo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda dig baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig.
Guys, so I believe I need to tell you guys this. For the sides, you don't need too much. You don't need a lot at all. You space it out as much as you can. Normally I just put 1, 2, 3 and I'm done, which is even almost too much, but don't put too much there. The trick with crochet is just put as little as you can first, and then when you're done you can always go back and fill in whatever you think, wherever your tracks are showing, you can always go back and refill it. And this keeps the hair in the front of my head, or at the beginning of where my hair starts from on my head, so it doesn't move back, which is why I have these right there, so the hair stays there, it doesn't move. Right, this is a technique that I have been using for years because I'm a crochet girl. I love crochet braids. When I get to this area right here, I will put the crochet braids closer to one another.
Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv trött för.
All done. I will definitely be back to tell you how many packs I used and any other things that I may remember. But this is the finished look. I like my crochets to be a bit full because I have a smaller head. But yes, so let me turn around so you can see. Oh wow, I can see a braid. So that's what I told you, that with crochet, you know, when you're done, then you can see the areas that you need to add more hair. The color, I think it's different from my normal black that I always do. Alright, so this is the finished look for the hair, guys, and I know it's looking a little different. I used 5 packs for this hair. I already showed you the name of the hair. 5 packs. Now the hair was a little bit short, and so in the next clip I show you what I did. I think in the next clip, or one of the clips, I show you what I did to kind of stretch it out. So now it's this long. Can you see? It's right here. That's where I wanted it to be, and I show you how I stretch it out. So if you look closely, you can see that some of them are a little bit different. Like you see, this is fatter and these are 2. So if you look closely, you see that I divided 1 into 2 and I twisted it, and I show you how I do that. I like the color, I like the hair. This is 1B27 and gold. It's beautiful. I like it. I love crochet. It's very, very protective, easy to you know, to install and all of that, and it lasts for a long time, as long as you want, and it protects your hair. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, please leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Do you guys love crochet? I would love for you to like my video. I would love for you to subscribe. Well, greetings, it is me again, barefaced, coming to you with no shame. So this is how I, you know, undid the twists. I just wanted to show you. I did it without nails, so let's just hope that I can do it on camera for you guys with nails. Let's try. I have my hair in a hairnet, so it just holds my hair back and we can focus on this and any other strand that we are trying to show you. All right, so this is how long it is. You see, I wasn't too pleased with the length, so what I did was I stretched it out, and this is how I stretched it out. All right, and then I divided it into 2. Lord help me, these nails. But you know, nails just give you that sophisticated look, that sophistication, that look of sophistication. Now, this crochet is make sure that there's nothing is tangling and all of that good stuff, and I start to twist. Before I start to twist, let me just put this out of my way and I start to twist. I can't remember. Looks like I'm untwisting or whatever. And then I make my left hand do most of the work. So all this hand is doing is grabbing. The right hand is just grabbing, the left hand is twisting. Okay, and then I do this with it. You don't have to do this, I'm just showing you what I did. Look at how long it is now, as opposed to the second one. Let me take it out on the back of my ear. Look at the difference. Yes, so that gents, greetings. So I'm taking the hair out now. It's lasted me 3 weeks. As you can see, because of the braiding pattern, the hair is still in my face. It didn't recede back. Nothing wrong with the hair. I just gelled the edges and that's it. So I could also wear a headband. I can wear a scarf. You could jazz it up. You just need to do a little bit more as it gets older because of your edges. Thank you for watching.